dismantle broken back glass cover and replace a new one, engravings and endorsement of planar text and patterns, and even you are able to execute engravings on cylindrical items with additional rotary device like wings, pens, and cups. Oh, furthermore, it also characterized by the features of portable engraving, greetings everyone, welcome to TBK Factory Product Introductional Channel. This is Golden. Well, through the amalgamation of a wide range of functions, this is the most adapted one that has just been newly developed, our new friend TBK-958N mini multifunctional laser machine. You know, today the leading character has been brought to fruition through the unwavering dedication of our research and development team. It not only admirably assists professional firms refurbished personnel, but also its remarkable adaptabilities enables extensive utilization across diverse industrial. So, with its compact size and abundant features, does this product grab your interest in? Now, give me your answer. Okay, thanks in advance for your sum up and subscription. More TBK products are waiting for you.